Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Please, I beg you, do not oversleep when it is raining at night. Please, do not oversleep. This is the reason why I said you should not oversleep. You see, the rain that happened, last night, you see what it has done. Come on. I know, and I am very sure that many people did not sleep last night. You might be in a very comfortable house, in a very comfortable room, sleeping, snoring. Come on. Think about others, the less privileged people. Think about them when you are sleeping at night. Just say to yourself, are they sleeping? That's why you should not oversleep. Madingol coming down in Fale. Kumu sudo sama min kada ay tingari bakata ngoleke e tingaro kele kinde gefan. Please, ni be sino la ibe bunken no kono. Kana sino bake, kana suto be sino sama be busata. Mira molla miliyalon ko. Ila bungol man kati. Imam fen soto do batare. Hani mile fu ngoy fen soro wado dul fan sama kono abuge watu. Molla bungol jibe rek. Just look at this. Molla fen sol boyta. Assalamu alaikum. Look at this. You see? You see? Sama tingaro kila bake. Nibe lala. Kanila e oversino. Imira modola. Look at this. Think about the less privileged ones. Do not oversleep at night, please. Kana suto be sino sama busa kan kafo masama enjoy kan. Come on. Yeah, ni ta ba enjoy kan wa mira jama balbi ye so ko Gambia jam mi anko wol be kumbo kan. Kire jama balbi jang wol be kumbo kan. Kunu wol ye throughout the night they didn't sleep. Really. It's not anyone's fault, but we have to be there for one another. We have to think about each other. Come on, we need some massive caring. At least, pray for them. Pray for them. Because yes, hello everyone. Honestly, right now what is happening in the Gambia, it's just something else. Most places in the Combos, there is flooding everywhere. What is the problem? One thing Nyanda can understand is like sama anyanta kasilul soto jiboro nyanda tala dame. But is it the physical planning or anything? I don't know what they are doing, but something needs to be done. We don't know. This is just the beginning of August. It's just on the 31st. Into the August kona katanya, what are we going to expect? The video you just saw, it's the list of the destruction this rain caused. Come on, we need to do something. There need to be waterways, Silwanyanda Sotola drainage system, they need to be correct. Go to other places, Ibo Town, Sukuta Nema, Senegambia, flooding everywhere. Because Geoman Silo Soto, what are we going to do? We need to do something. 24 hours of continuous rain. It's something else. Who knows? This might not. This might be just one of the first heavy rains that is going to happen this year. I mean, bungul be boiler everywhere, tensol be boiler. People don't have, I mean, ways to even go. I mean, phew, it's really crazy. We need to do something, guys.